A VPS can be the best way to run your ambitious new online project. But what can you use a VPS for, and what should you avoid when starting a VPS? Join us as we tell you what you should and shouldn't do with a VPS. But first, if you don't know what a VPS is, check out this video right here. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Daniela and I'm a content creator here at One.com. Now let's dive in. The first great reason to use a VPS is to run a big website, multiple websites, or an e-commerce store. A VPS gives you dedicated resources that guarantee smooth performance 24/7. A VPS can deliver when regular hosting gets bogged down. It's not always easy to know when you need a VPS over regular shared hosting, but in general, you should consider a VPS if your online store has more than 500 products or if your website has more than 1,000 visitors per day. With a VPS, you can guarantee performance and consistently deliver a good customer experience. The second great reason to use a VPS is to develop an app or online service. A simple VPS can be inexpensive and flexible, making it ideal for development. You can easily run code, share your service with testers, and scale your resources when needed. Now, let's do a quick round of 5 great use cases for a VPS. Game server. A VPS can be perfect as a Minecraft or Valheim server. You can run it yourself or with a few friends. Email server. Email is never more private and secure than on a well-managed VPS. Data backup. You'll feel safe with your data in secure storage on a VPS. You can automatically upload documents from your computer and keep copies of important videos and other files in case anything happens. VPN. When you travel, you can securely encrypt your internet access using a VPN. With your own VPS, you have complete control over your encrypted connection. Virtual desktop. Are you traveling a lot for work? You can avoid bringing your most sensitive files by logging in to a virtual desktop hosted on your VPS. You'll enjoy secure file access and have the full power of a server wherever you are. One of the coolest things about a VPS is that you can do all these things on one server. A single VPS can replace 2, 5, or even 10 subscription services, saving money while providing more control and safety. What will you use your VPS for? Let us know in the comments. Now, here are things you should avoid when using a VPS. First, you should probably think twice about using an unmanaged VPS. They can be challenging to manage, but they give you the highest level of freedom and the most resources for your money. If you don't want to take care of the server administration tasks, a managed VPS is a better option for you. They're easier to start and run as the service provider sets them up for you and handles maintenance, security, backups, and updates. That's why a managed VPS is the right choice for most users. Another thing you should avoid is choosing an inexpensive VPS plan and launching without testing. The lowest tier plan may not be enough if you plan on running a big e-commerce store. If you're unsure how many resources you need, you can start with a smaller plan and scale up from there, but don't do that while you're live, as an under-resourced VPS may make your website unstable. In short, ensure you have the right VPS plan before you launch. Before we wrap up, here's a fun bonus use case for your VPS. Are you tired of paying for Netflix and 2, 3, or 5 other streaming services? If you've already purchased movies and TV shows, you can set up your own streaming service with a VPS. Plex Media Server is a piece of software that you can run on your VPS to stream movies and TV shows to any device for free. They have nice apps for phones, tablets, TVs, and many other devices, so you can own the content you're watching and still get the modern experiences of a video streaming service. If you want to start VPS, check out our managed and unmanaged VPS plans in the description. If you're unsure which one you should choose, watch this video right here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.